endless noise of this world. Guard my mind against the anxieties that seek to unsettle me, that I may remain steadfast amidst the storms of life. Remind me always that your power envelops me. Let your hand cover my eyes, O God, from sights that would lead me astray, from the dazzling illusions, from a world teeming with turmoil, and from temptations that promise everything I could desire: wealth, pride, lust, and fleeting pleasures. Hold me close, Lord. I cannot face this battle alone. You know my frailty, a child within, though I stand as a warrior. You are my strength, my only true source of power. Yours is the victory, Lord. May I walk in it.